Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into WorkHorse. It's a very quick and simple step, so without any further delay, let's dive right in. So in order to do that, first thing first, obviously you have to open up your preferred web browser. You can use any web browser you'd like. I'm using Google Chrome right here, so let's tap into that. And at the very top you can see a search bar. In that search bar, let's type in WorkHorse login since we're going to log in, and hit enter. So one thing you have to keep in your mind is that make sure you tap into the official site of WorkHorse, which is this one right here. Let's tap into that, and let's tap don't allow for now, and you'll be greeted with this login page right here. So it's a very simple step. All you gotta do is fill out that two empty fields. The first one, you have to type in your email. It's a very simple step. And at the second field, you can type in your password, and that's it. And also, if you have forgotten a password, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap into the option that says reset, and you can reset your password and create a new one. So yeah, it's a final step. All you gotta do now is tap into that blue button that says login, and you will be logged into your WorkHorse account. So logging into WorkHorse account is as simple as that. If you have any queries, again, you can comment in the comment section down below. And if you want more helpful tutorials and videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.